unbelievable. 1964 Malibu Super Sport Restomod. Everybody knows the market on these Restomods is through the roof. This is a 64 True SS, fuel injected LT1 motor, air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. Just a stunning car, finished in like a house of colors, black cherry metallic. You can just see the paint on this car is awesome. It runs like a top. Just a stunning 64 Chevy Malibu Super Sport, 17-inch rally wheels, front disc power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, all new chrome, completely restored. Just a beautiful car. You can hear it running. Custom bucket seats, vintage AC, everything you want in a Restomod right here. Just a cool stance. It doesn't get much better. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Check out the inside. Great leather buckets. I mean, just a cool car. Tilt wheel, custom dash, Dakota digital dash. Everything you want, guys. Right here.